Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What I have here is a random act of kindness. So let's just get into it. On this first tag, I did a little inking at the top and I included this doily and I punched out this circle and backed it with this teal scalloped circle. It has a little bit of a velvety texture. I like the way this tag turned out, and this is just a sticker from a sticker pad that I have. And on the back, I really like this fuchsia color paper, so I just went ahead and left it that way. I have this envelope that I made on the We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch, and I just inked it around the edges with the Tim Holtz, I think it's called pickled raspberry, or picked raspberry rather. And then I have this tag that I cut into a banner shape and inked and backed it up to this kind of French style paper with some wording and this dimensional heart right here, if you can see that, with little gold hearts as well. This one, I don't know if you can see it, but there is another little heart that I inked right here, as well as this one, and then I lined it with a gold pin and created a little tuck spot with the circle. The back of it also has a little pocket and just a longer, skinnier tag with some ribbon at the top. Another little tag and little teal heart with gold trim. And then I just did this this tag that folds open and just did a little bit of stamping right there. The back of it has a little tuck spot. It has this little tiny tag in it with a little puffy heart right here in the corner. I love all the bling of these little hearts. Okay, on this one, I backed it on this pink paper. There's a little puffy heart in the corner and these little hearts layered here at the bottom. And the other side, this is actually a little shaker, and I just trimmed it with some ribbon. This is a little file folder that I also made on that same tool that I used for the envelopes. You can see the back of it there. It has a lot of pretty detail. I fussy cut this Cupid out because I just thought it was cute. And just did some sticker layering here at the top and at the bottom. This was a doily, so I just kind of also cut that around the shape of the doily and inked the edges. And back here, I just added a little detail of a little glitter heart. And then here, this envelope, I added some layering here in the corner and a little puffy heart, and did a little bit of stamping right here. But I really liked this. I cut this out of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper because I just really love the way that looked with the detail and all the glitter. Hopefully I'm in frame and you can see that. And then the back of it, I just left this little, I added this little puffy heart with the gold trim. It's part of that same group. So let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you for watching.